Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How have you been? In today's video, our lessons will be on the other elements of the balance sheet equation. Remember in my previous video, I talked about assets being one of the elements, and I made mention of the fact that there are three elements, namely assets, capital, and liabilities. So in today's video, we are going to continue with capital and liabilities. The accounting equation is assets equal to capital plus liabilities. So we have already given the other part of the equation, and in today's video we are going to give the other part. Before I dive in, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the notification button on so that anytime I drop a video, you will be notified. Don't also forget to comment, like, and share to your loved ones. Let's dive in. The other part of the accounting equation, which is also known as the balance sheet equation, is made up of capital and liabilities. I'm going to start with the capital. Capital is the initial sum used in starting a business. In a sole trading business, it is a past saving that a sole proprietor keeps, maybe from the income he makes from other businesses or from his personal savings. His personal savings may not be able to fund the business, which means the business owner will be needing other sources of funds to run the business. I am going to talk about capital in such a way that everybody can understand. I would like to take capital to a sole trader in such a way that even if you are not a business student, you'll be able to understand what capital is. Capital is what the sole trader has been saving, maybe from the salary or from another business that he or she has been operating and has been saving up some part so as to start another business. That one is called the capital of a business, as the initial sum used in starting up a business. These capital are in different types, are classified in different types. You have the first one, capital own. Capital own is that part that is used in starting up that business. Then you have fixed capital. Fixed capital is the capital that constitutes the fixed asset of the enterprise. Like for example, I talked about non-current assets. The total sum of the non-current assets is equal to the fixed capital. Then we have circulating capital. Circulating capital refers to the capital to the total sum of the current assets, that is inventory, account receivable, cash in hand, cash at bank, cash in financial institution, accrued revenue, prepaid expenses. When you sum all these together, you are going to get the circulating capital. Working capital refers to the money used in funding the business's day-to-day operations. To get the working capital, it is current assets minus the current liabilities. Remember, current assets are the day-to-day business operations, and then the current liabilities are the day-to-day debts that the enterprise is supposed to pay within the year. So to get the working capital, you have to take the current assets minus the current liabilities. There is also equity capital, which is made up of the contributions made by the shareholders to start up a company. It is made up of preference shares, ordinary shares, retained earnings, and debentures. The sole traders can also borrow from friends or family members or from even jangi houses. These are the debts that the enterprise is incurring. So these debts are known as liabilities. The enterprise is bound to pay those debts. And these liabilities are also classified into two. We have the long-term liabilities and the short-term or current liabilities. The long-term liabilities refers to those debts that the enterprise will take a longer period of time to pay, that is more than a year. Example includes mortgages, leasing, bank loans, bonds, etc. While current liabilities refers to those debts that the enterprise is owing, that they are supposed to pay within a year. That is not for a period or more than a year. Examples here include accounts payable, unearned revenue, accrued expenses, taxes due, pension due, and so many others. Please don't say you don't need this information. It is necessary to know